Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Beauty with DiDi. Alright, you guys, if you are a loyal subscriber, you guys already know what today is. Well, you should know what today is, really, because you see me in my bathroom. I'm in my bathroom, okay? I'm in my bathroom today, okay? Ooh, and you know what that means. When we are in our bathroom, that means it's time to get down. Alright, so today we're going to be trimming my hair, and I'm going to do a dry trim today. And we're going to do the butterfly cut at a 45-degree angle. Okay? Okay. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm sitting here thinking of how I'm going to do this 45-degree cut, because I can't do it this way and I can't do it this way. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna have to cut it going this way, because then it'll give it that that V in the back if I go that way, right? I don't know, we're gonna see. Pray for me. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna spritz this down. I just want to put a disclaimer in there that this is how I cut my hair. This is my personal preference. Ooh, this is my personal preference. If you do decide to cut your hair and it does not come out how you want it to come out, just know I told you. This is my preference. It's my preference. It's all mine. Alright, you guys, so I gotta comb this girl out. She needs to be combed out real bad. Let me see. She needs to be combed out real bad. There you go. Right. So let's go ahead and comb her out and put on some music. Let's see, who do I... Oh, you know what I want to listen to? I want to listen to that Cookie Coily. If I back it up, is it fast enough? Watch me throw it back to the back, back to the back, back to the back. Yeah, I just saw my TikTok from 3 years ago. I was so freaking big. Gentle, gentle. I'm learning to be gentle. Through the love that we were born to have, I'll be there on our line. Whether wrong or right, I'll stay by your side. No, I got you till the end of time. Through the love that I'll be there whether wrong or right, no, I got you till the end of time. I know it's hard to believe. talking about I got a violation ticket on my Peace, Love, and Shea Butter account. And you see, you know, you gotta listen to your instincts, bro. Because I'm like, should I sell on TikTok? And then I looked at the reviews and I'm like, maybe not. I don't think so. So it says, we regret to inform you that you have received a violation ticket for identity verification required. The details are as follows. The TikTok shop works hard to create trusted shopping environments for our customers and sellers. We have noticed activity on your account and need to validate your identity. The settlement and withdrawal of shop earnings is suspended. Provide a high resolution 10-second video minimum of yourself describing your shop and what kind of products you sell. Ensure that your video displays both the front and back of your photo ID and shows your face clearly without any obstruction. By consent to the video being used for TikTok. I don't know TikTok. I don't really know TikTok. I don't know, it's just something in me that's telling me not to sell on TikTok. So I'm not going to, because first of all, supposedly you guys were supposed, you know, you guys be coming and going. So I don't know if you coming. So I don't know if you staying. So I think I'm gonna just go with a space where I know I can get the best results. And not, you know, not to throw in shade, but American owned, you know, because you guys already know why. So I'm just looking out for my best interest. So I'm not gonna go with TikTok to sell my shea butter. I thought about it, but then I'm like, nah, I'm okay. I'll go somewhere else. We'll go somewhere else that's a little bit more trustworthy. Oh. Because I'm like, what? And it's probably because I didn't post products right away. So, because I think you have to, you know, you got to show them your ID, you got to give them your information and stuff like that, right? But then after that, it takes you to a page where you can post your products, and then I kind of like put a pause on that. One thing I have learned is not to be so impulsive and rush into things. So I'm just like, I don't know, buddy. I don't know. So if I'm questioning it, then I'm going to just put a pause on it. And I got to change my jars. I saw Vanjie, she did a review on it. I mean, the product is great. However, the container, I kind of like switched my containers, just trying to like listen to other people's opinions on my packaging and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, the packaging that I started off with, kind of like, it did its job, right? So when I shipped it, there was no leakage. Then this person kind of like made a comment about the labeling and stuff like that, so that made me feel a little bit insecure about it. So I ended up finding a more aesthetically pleasing jar, right, to work with. However, when I shipped it, it leaked. So now it's like quality over, I don't know. Well, how do you phrase that? Because something cannot, I mean, some things are not as eye pleasing, however, it's sustainable. So that's what I'm looking for, sustainability. Because I hate disappointing. And I would, you know, I hate disappointing, paying clients. So that's what we're looking for, sustainability. At first I was like, well, let me go back to the previous jars. However, I can't put the labels on those, so I'm looking for another jar to put my shea butter in. Okay, I'm just trying to look at my ends, seeing if they look how I want them to look. Yeah, my hair is getting so freaking long. I'm scared. Like, I'm probably gonna have to start going to the hair salon so I can have somebody else take care of it, because it's a lot. And I don't want somebody, I want to work with somebody that's gonna listen. I'll probably go to like a home office type of thing. I'm trying to figure out if I want to, like, what am I doing? God, look how long my hair has gotten. I can't even get it in the screen. That's how long my hair has gotten. Let me just show you. Look at that. Can't even get it in the screen. Back, throw it back. All right, back to the music. guys, so I'm about to get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, thanks for watching Beauty with D.
Beauty with D.
Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.